How to add device in Lorex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new device. First of all, open an application. Now, in your home section, you can see this plus icon on the middle. Tap on this plus icon. So make sure which device that you have in your home. So confirm it and then only select these options. So select the one that you have. Now you can directly scan the QR code from your device that will be placed in a small portion, or you can manually enter the ID. So choose whichever you like. So the best way is scanning through QR, or you can choose this manually enter device ID. Tap on it. Now you can enter your ID and you can easily add the device. So there will be some setups available and you can easily access the device wherever you are. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.